How to see profile views on Instagram. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Now, there is no direct way to know who viewed your profile on Instagram, but you can do some tricks to just tell yourself that how many people just viewed your account. Now, first of all, you have to go on Instagram, and then if somebody is basically viewing your account, then you have to go on your story option and see who viewed your story. If you know who viewed your story, then you will be able to see your story, the person who viewed your story. Then if this trick is not working, then you have to go on the profile option and then go on the settings option and check that if you are not private. This you can do is by going to settings option. If you are private, then if anybody wants to see your account, it will have to send you follow request, and then you have to go and check the follow request by clicking it down over here. This can tell you who viewed your profile. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.